All right, you guys, once and for all, we want to figure out exactly what the public thinks about the different brands on the market and also what brands the public is familiar with. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down to the Costco parking lot and I'm going to do my best to not creep people out. But I'm going to approach people and let them know that we're doing a little bit of market research, and I'm going to ask them, are you familiar with window tinting? You know, hopefully they say yeah. And if they do say yeah, I'm going to say, what brands are you familiar with, or what brands come to your mind first? And we're just going to get an idea of what brands people are most familiar with. So stay tuned.
I do it for the fans, not the cameras. Made 100 bands and I took a flight to Paris. Seen her on the gram, but you know I got my standards. If you're talking to me now, better mind your manners. Cause you know I do it for the fans, not the cameras.
Sir, got a question for you. Are you familiar with window tinting? No? All right. No English? Excuse me, sir. Got a question for you.
Okay.
We're doing a little market research. Are you at all familiar with window tinting? Like, have you? Yeah. Have you ever heard of a brand, like a brand of window film? No, you wouldn't be familiar with any particular brand? Cool. Hey, thank you for answering. Appreciate you. Hey, sir. Got a quick question for you if you don't mind. Are you? Oh, you do? Okay. Hey, what's up, bro? I got a quick question for you. Are you familiar with any type of window films, like any brands? We're just doing some market research trying to figure out like if people are familiar with certain brands or not.
Maybe like Milgard?
Milgard? Okay,
I
cool.
think so.
Yeah, that's a brand of window. Awesome. Thanks for answering.
Yeah, of course.
Appreciate you.
Do you guys do window films?
Yeah, we actually do.
Like tints and stuff?
Exactly. Yeah, I own a Quality Tinting and Signs on South Higuera.
Have you called him?
I don't think so. I have to get some sliders in my house tinted.
Okay, cool.
In the next like week or so. What was it?
Quality Tinting and Signs.
Okay.
We're on South Higuera.
Okay, perfect.
Yep.
I'll check you
Awesome.
guys
We'd
out.
love to come out and give you an estimate.
Okay.
Do you
Thank
have
you.
cards, by the way?
I don't have cards on me, but you can check us out on Instagram right now.
Okay.
We're actually doing this for my other business right now. It's correlated to window tinting, but yeah, it's Quality Tinting and Signs, and we'll come up on Instagram. So that last one was kind of cool. Shit, if this can turn into a job, that's not bad. Now, what you'll notice is as I'm approaching people in a parking lot, I'm addressing them from far away. I'm not waiting until I'm super close and catching people off guard. Obviously, we're with a camera, so I'm wanting to give them, you know, enough space and let them adapt to us coming up to them and not catching them off guard. Hey, how you doing, sir? Mind if I ask you a quick question? Are you familiar with any window film companies at all? And it's just for market research purposes, that's all. A lot of people with Porsches get their windows tinted at our shop, and I'm just trying to figure out what brands people are familiar with, if any at all.
None.
None? Okay, thank you very much. Have a great day. And as you can see, you guys, most people so far haven't heard of any brands. So this is why when your shop has a lot of credibility, you can almost sell any film company. Now, a lot of people think, I think a lot of people are under the impression that a lot of people are aware of different brands, and obviously those people that get their windows tinted all the time, they might be, but so far we haven't found one person that's familiar with a particular brand. Quick question, oh, you're on the phone? Oh, sorry.
Look, you're leaving thousands of dollars on the table every single month. Why? Because you're still running your business the hard way, struggling to scale, burning through team members, and watching money slip through your fingers. I see it every day. Business owners that are stuck in the grind, doing all the work themselves because they don't have the right process and procedures in place. Or even worse, getting undercut by lowballers because they're not dominating their market. Proven strategies, real systems, and you need a community of winners who are actually doing this.
You guys, I've built a multi-million-dollar auto restyling company, and I've helped hundreds of others scale their business by systematizing their operations and turning their skills into highly profitable businesses. All right, now I'm giving you my exact blueprint inside of my coaching program. This is where I drop real strategies, step-by-step business moves, and proven sales tactics to help you close more jobs, raise your prices, and build a brand that prints money. Plus, you'll be surrounded by other driven business owners pushing for the same success, learning from their wins and mistakes so you don't have to waste your time figuring it all out by yourself. Are you done struggling, ready to grow, and want the real blueprint to working smarter and not harder? If so, hit the link below and get signed up for my coaching program right now. Learn the game, stop stressing, and start making money. Let's go! Quick question for you. Are you familiar with any window film companies? We're asking people just for market research purposes. Have you ever heard of a window film company?
No.
No.
People that work on cars.
Just people that work on cars? Thank you, appreciate that.
Yep.
Hey, what's up, bro? We're conducting just a little bit of market research. Have you ever heard of a window film company? Are you familiar with?
No, I'm sorry. I don't speak English
Oh, okay,
very well.
cool, thank you. With any window film companies? We're doing a little market research, wondering like how much the public knows about different brand window films. Have you ever heard of a brand?
No.
No? Cool, thank you, appreciate that. How you doing, sir?
Good, are you?
Good, can I ask you a quick question? We're just doing a little market research trying to figure out if anyone has heard of any window film companies. As far as getting your windows tinted, whether it's for a house or for a car. Are you familiar with any window tinting, not local companies, but like the actual brands that of the film companies? Thank you. Awesome. First person to know any company. There you go. Thank you, sir. 3M. There we go. First out of how many people have we asked?
At least like 15.
15. Hey, ma'am, out of curiosity, have you ever heard of a window tint manufacturer? No? Okay. Thank you. Literally not one. Or one. 3M. All right, so let's go over to Home Depot and get around a little bit different demographic and see if they've heard of any window film manufacturers. Hey, sir. I got a quick question for you. Are you familiar with any window film manufacturers?
Window film manufacturer?
Yeah, like window tint manufacturers. If you were gonna go get your windows tinted, would you ask for any specific brand or know of any specific brands?
Not off the top of my head.
Awesome. Thank you very much. No problem. Appreciate it. Oh. Hey, I got a question for you.
Yeah.
Are you familiar with any window film manufacturers? If you were gonna go get your windows tinted, are you familiar with any tint brands?
Tint brands?
Yeah, like not the local shop, but the film manufacturers that a local shop might carry.
Like 3M, stuff like that?
3M's one, yeah.
Right.
Just doing some market research just to kind of figure out what like most people are familiar with.
Yeah, that's probably about the biggest one that
Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. You're the man. Thanks, sir.
All right.
Have a good day.
You too.
2 3M's. All right, we're leaving Home Depot. We're gonna go over to the Target parking lot right across the street. Go somewhere where people aren't in the middle of their day working. Didn't get that much of a response. We did have one guy say that he had heard of 3M. Let's check out what the people over here at Dick's Sporting Goods and Target know about window film. Hey, question for you, bro. We're doing a little bit of market research. We're wondering if people know anything about window film manufacturers. Have you ever heard of a window film manufacturer? What did he say?
What did he say?
Excuse me, sir. Quick question for you. Are you familiar with any window tint brands? No? Cool. Thank you. Have a great day. Telling you. All that marketing that the companies do, the more people we ask, the more accurate this is. Any other company, out of all the people we've asked so far, only 2 people have been familiar with any film, and both of those people were familiar with 3M.
Besides the window film guy.
The window film guy.
Yeah, what's the brand that he said? Or not?
He said Milgard.
Oh, Milgard,
That
yeah.
was a window
Yeah.
window company.
Yeah.